As recommended by the new Education Policy 2020, coding and computational thinking skills are being imparted to school students in Goa through a unique initiative. What seemed impossible due to the COVID pandemic was made possible through an innovative scheme called the Coding and Robotics Education in Schools. Unlike conventional approaches, this scheme has succeeded in bringing about convergence. The Directorate of Technical Education runs the scheme, which is implemented to the Directorate of Education in all government and aided schools. It is supported by the State Council for Education, Research and Training, industry professionals and industry partners on a non-commercial basis. An executive committee headed by the CM personally, along with industry experts, serves as a guide to the project management unit, formed of select officers pooled from different departments, which is driving the implementation. Industry experts and leading IT professionals from Goa are working on the pedagogy research, syllabus curriculum and training of teachers. A syllabus committee of industry experts led by an IIT professor in consultation with agencies like Pi Jam Foundation referred to existing curriculum like the CS Pathshala and came up with an outline of the syllabus and curriculum customized to the needs of the state. To ensure long-term success, existing computer teachers were trained to impart this education. However, 90% of the teachers were not equipped to teach coding. This was handled innovatively. Industry experts trained 20 master trainer teachers for 2 months through an online-offline mode. The lesson plans were concurrently developed during the training. These MTs further trained the remaining 500 teachers. 50 coordinator teachers from these 500 were identified, who continuously organize weekly hand-holding sessions for their colleagues in each taluka. Online meetings and social media groups for teachers and students are being used to overcome COVID constraints. The curriculum, which is hands-on, needed an innovation in the method of implementation at the school level. Regular classes during school hours are conducted by existing teachers to impart the basic and compulsory aspects of the curriculum. Add-on classes after school hours, which will start from 2022-23, will impart advanced curriculum to only interested students through specially hired Teach for Goa fellows, who will be engineers trained to impart such knowledge. The scheme is being implemented using open source software and hardware such as Scratch, GIMP, Blender, Kojo, including mobile devices as computing devices and not just laptops or desktops. The curriculum, concepts and tools are such that students can use them on mobile devices as well. Single board computing systems with Linux are being procured through a GEM-based tender to equip computers in schools. A website, www.caresgoa.org, ensures each of the 65,000 students has a personal dedicated web page to submit assignments and entries for competitions, etc. Social media tools like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram @CaresGoa are used to disseminate information about the scheme. To promote the scheme, the PMU took up several initiatives. Taluka level meetings with school headmasters and management, expression of interest for non-commercial partnerships and associations from industry experts and institutions received 25 plus applications. A logo design competition for the scheme. Competitions for students such as lantern coding and Christmas star coding. YouTube live boot camps for students during holidays. The impact of the scheme has already been noticed and widely reported by media like the Better India, India AI, TOI, etc. Goa has pioneered the way of introducing computational and design thinking skills and making it available free of cost to all students who otherwise would have been left behind in the smart race promoted by private edtech companies.